Ready to see the best of the best? These are the greatest Amazon gadgets of 2025. Innovative, time-saving, and downright genius. From smart home upgrades to everyday problem solvers, they're changing the game. All product links are down in the description. Your coffee, your temperature, your rules. This smart mug keeps your drink perfectly warm for up to 80 minutes, or all day when resting on its sleek charging coaster. You can fine-tune the heat through an app, or skip it entirely. The mug remembers your last setting. It even knows when to sleep and when to wake, saving power when you're not sipping. No more chopping, pushing, or hovering over your juicer. This hands-free machine does it all. Just drop in whole fruits or veggies and let the auto-cutting blade go to work. The powerful motor handles everything from beets to pineapples with ease. Want smoothies, nut milk, or sorbet? You've got it. It runs quietly, cleans easily, and juices big batches without breaking a sweat. Charging your phone in the car just got a serious glow-up. This sleek, auto-sensing charger opens up with a simple wave, or pop out the prongs with a light tap, and it grips your phone like a pro. It wirelessly charges in just 30 minutes, so you're powered up before your coffee cools down. Clips easily into your car vent, and looks just as good as it performs. Air frying just got a whole lot cleaner. These reusable silicone liners slide right into your air fryer and keep grease, crumbs, and sticky messes off the basket. No more scrubbing or tossing flimsy parchment paper. Just lift them out and rinse or toss in the dishwasher. They're heat-resistant, food-safe, and built to last through endless meals. With better airflow grooves, your food cooks evenly and crisps up just right every time. If counter space is always tight, this over-the-sink dish rack could be your new favorite kitchen upgrade. It adjusts to fit a wide range of sink sizes and stacks vertically with room for dishes, cups, utensils, even paper towels. The clever U-shaped base and suction cups keep everything stable, while water drains right into the sink. A smarter way to dry dishes without hogging your counter.
This 2-in-1 tool slices and pits avocados in one smooth motion. Its lightweight yet sturdy plastic design makes it easy to scoop, split, and remove the pit, all without needing to switch between tools. Perfect for speeding up your avocado prep with less mess. This large capacity rice container stores bulk grains and dispenses them with a press. No batteries or power needed. It's waterproof and sealed to keep rice fresh and free from moisture. Just tap the button and the portion drops straight into your bowl or cup. A clean, hassle-free way to manage everyday staples in the kitchen.
Your center console is about to level up. This leather armrest pad doesn't just add comfort, it's loaded with smart storage. It features a built-in cup holder, tissue box slot, phone holder, and side pockets. Keep everything within reach. Just strap it onto your existing console and you're good to go. It's functional, stylish, and makes every drive feel a bit more organized.
This adjustable cheese slicer lets you pick how thick or thin each slice comes out. No guesswork needed. Just glide it across the block and the wire does the rest, clean and even. It's especially useful for cheese boards or sandwich prep. Solid and straightforward if you're slicing a lot at once.
Tired of babysitting the pot while dinner simmers? This automatic stirrer handles it for you. No more burned bottoms or sore arms. Just set it in place, and it adjusts to fit most pots while gently sweeping the base to keep things smooth and creamy. It's cordless, powerful, and runs quietly for hours on a single charge. Perfect for soups, sauces, or slow-cooked masterpieces that need constant motion. Who knew a faucet could be this cool? This one comes with a built-in LED screen that shows the water temperature as it flows. No surprises, no scalding. You can swivel the head and choose from 3 spray modes: soft waterfall, steady stream, or powerful rinse. Need extra reach? Just pull it out like a hose. It's high-tech convenience built right into your sink. Your bed might look clean, but this vacuum knows better. With powerful suction and UV light, it digs deep into bedding fibers to clear out dust, allergens, and even tiny pests. The cordless design means no tangling, no hassle, just grab and go. Choose between 2 speeds depending on the job, and get up to 20 minutes of strong, uninterrupted cleaning on a full charge. It's like a deep clean spa day for your mattress. It isn't just a mouse pad, it's your entire battle station upgrade. With built-in wireless charging, it powers your phone while you power through games or work. The oversized design gives your keyboard and mouse plenty of room to breathe. 10 RGB light modes set the vibe, from chill glow to full-on gamer energy. And with a non-slip base, it stays locked in even during the most intense sessions. Cutting butter just got way less messy. This one-click cutter slices perfect pats every time. No knife, no cleanup. Just load in a standard stick, press, and boom, smooth, even slices ready for toast, pancakes, or baking. The stainless steel blade does the job cleanly, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It's simple, satisfying, and way more fun than digging with a butter knife. Corners don't have to be wasted space. This 3-tier kitchen shelf fits snugly into any corner and rotates so you can access everything easily. Need a cleaner look? Just slide it closed and your items disappear neatly behind the panels. It's waterproof, compact, and works just as well in bathrooms too. A smart way to organize without clutter. Tired of lifting heavy jugs just to pour a drink? This automatic dispenser does it for you. Just press your cup against the trigger and watch the hands-free pump deliver milk, juice, or any drink without spills. The anti-overflow design keeps counters clean, and the clear bottle lets you see exactly how much is left. It's fun, easy, and even kids can use it mess-free. Tired of messy soap bottles cluttering your sink area? This 2-in-1 soap dispenser with sponge holder keeps everything neat and right where you need it. Just press down to get the perfect amount of soap while your sponge stays conveniently stored on top. It's super easy to refill, leak-proof, and blends into any kitchen setup. A small upgrade that makes your dishwashing routine a whole lot smoother. Showers just got a futuristic upgrade. This digital shower set adds sleek style and smart features to your daily routine. The piano-style buttons give you full control at a single touch. No more fumbling with knobs. A digital display shows water temperature in real time, while ambient lighting sets the mood. It's made from space aluminum, so it's rust-resistant, modern, and built to last. Turn playtime into creative time. This interactive drawing robot brings pictures to life by sketching them out, all on its own. Just slide in one of the drawing cards, and its little pen-holding arms get to work. Kids get to watch their favorite images appear, one stroke at a time. It's a fun and magical way to keep them learning while they play. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be boring. This cactus-shaped silicone brush adds a pop of fun while getting the job done. Its bendy bristles reach deep into tricky corners without scratching, and the sturdy handle keeps your grip steady. It's simple to rinse off and stands out in the best way. Who knew toilet cleaning could look this cute? This table does more than hold your lamp, it powers your entire night. With built-in wireless charging and USB ports, you can juice up your phone while you sleep. No cords needed. The soft-touch LED lights set the perfect bedtime vibe with adjustable colors and brightness. Its round design, gold finish, and glass top add instant style. Ideal for small spaces, it's smart, sleek, and seriously useful. When space is tight but chores keep coming, this foldable bucket has your back. It pops open to hold over 4 gallons of water, then collapses flat when you're done. The sturdy handle makes carrying easy, and there's even a spout to pour without spilling. Use it for mopping, camping, laundry, or just stashing ice for drinks. It's lightweight, durable, and ready for anything you throw at it. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance against this mini cooling fan with cat ears. It's a 2-in-1 air cooler and humidifier that adds a refreshing breeze wherever you go. Just fill the tank, pick one of 3 speeds, and enjoy cool, misty air in seconds. The rechargeable battery makes it perfect for desks, dorms, or even outdoor hangouts. Plus, the cute design makes staying cool way more fun. Want your car to feel like a party on wheels? These interior LED lights let you pick from millions of colors, sync to your music, and control it all straight from your phone. The 2-line design makes installation easy and keeps things tidy. No messy wires. Whether you're cruising at night or stuck in traffic, the lights pulse and glow to your beat. It's like giving your car a whole new vibe. Your car interior's about to feel like a whole vibe. These ambient light strips give you over 16 million colors to play with, all controllable through an app or remote. They sync with your music, pulsing to the beat while you drive. The strips are flexible, cuttable, and easy to install with a plug-and-play setup. Whether it's a night cruise or holiday decorating, this kit totally transforms your ride. Lifting a car doesn't have to mean breaking a sweat. This mechanical jack takes on over 6,000 pounds with ease, and all it needs is your electric drill. In just 25 to 30 seconds, your vehicle's off the ground, whether you're indoors or out. No wires, no hydraulics, and 0 maintenance. It's simple, tough, and built to make heavy lifting feel like light work. Washing dishes just got way more fun. This handheld dishwasher clamps onto your plates with a claw-like grip and spins them clean right under the sink. Just hold it, turn it on, and let it do the work. There are even slots for utensils, so you can clean forks and knives without scrubbing. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for small kitchens or quick cleanups.
This touchless soap dispenser delivers instant foam without the need to press anything. It's waterproof, super easy to clean, and lasts up to 3 months on a single charge. Plus, with adjustable bubble modes, you can get just the right amount of soap every time. Perfect for a mess-free, efficient wash.
Wobbly steps don't have to mean big falls. This adorable little backpack straps onto your baby and acts as a soft cushion to guard their head during tumbles. If they fall backward, the padded design takes the hit, not their tiny head. It's lightweight, comfy, and seriously cute. You'll feel way more at ease as your baby explores, bumps, and all.
This slicer makes cutting bananas, cucumbers, or even hot dogs a breeze. Simply place your item inside and press down to get perfectly even slices in seconds. It's fast, efficient, and easy for kids to use, making meal prep quicker and more fun. A great tool for anyone who needs consistent slices without the hassle.
It's a speaker, a charger, a lamp, and a total vibe. This moon-themed gadget lights up your space with colorful RGB LEDs while wirelessly charging your phone right from its holder. The built-in speaker plays your favorite tunes, and a digital clock display keeps you on track. It's the ultimate all-in-one desk companion that looks cool and does it all, day or night. What if your wok could cook for you? This automatic cooking machine does exactly that. Just press a button and it stirs, rotates, and adjusts speeds, all on its own. From stir-fry to stew, it handles it with even heat and 0 fuss. The Smart Touch panel keeps things simple, and the self-cleaning mode, total game changer. It's like having a personal chef, minus the small talk. Carrying 5 grocery bags in each hand? Not fun. This heavy-duty handle makes the load feel lighter, with a soft grip that won't dig into your fingers. It's tough enough to haul up to 100 pounds, whether that's shopping bags, paint buckets, or yard tools. Just loop on your bags and go! No more painful palms or awkward juggling on your way in from the car. Add a touch of calm and creativity to your space. This dynamic sand painting creates mesmerizing moving landscapes every time you flip it. Just rotate the glass and watch as the sand drifts slowly, forming mountains, waves, or deserts in real time. It's like having a live piece of art that never repeats itself. Beautiful, relaxing, and guaranteed to make your home feel more artistic.
This roll of electrostatic film clings to walls and tiles without needing glue or tape. It's waterproof, oil-proof, and easy to wipe clean, which makes it great for behind the stove or sink. Just cut what you need, press it on, and peel it off whenever. No sticky residue left behind. It's a mess barrier you won't have to think twice about. This 4-in-1 can opener is built to effortlessly open cans, bottles, and jar lids with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design makes it especially useful for kids or elderly users who need a tool that's easy to grip and operate. Whether you're opening a can of beans or a bottle of juice, it gets the job done smoothly and quickly.
This isn't just an air duster, it's your secret weapon for messes anywhere. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can tackle dust in your car, clean your keyboard at home, and even blow snow off your car. It's surprisingly powerful for such a compact tool. Whether it's crumbs in tight spaces or a dusty dashboard, it blasts it all away in seconds. Cleanups just got way more satisfying. Getting kids to wash their hands just got a whole lot easier. This adorable duck faucet extender brings the water closer, so little hands don't have to reach so far. The soft silicone design fits snugly over most faucets and helps control the flow to prevent messy splashes. Its cartoon look makes hand washing feel like playtime.
1 tool, 3 jobs, 0 clutter. This foldable cutting board transforms into a colander or dish tub in seconds. Chop, rinse, and drain all in the same spot. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe, sturdy, and holds over 500 ounces when fully expanded. The built-in plug makes draining a breeze, and the non-slip base keeps it steady, even on smooth surfaces. Need to save space? It folds flat and tucks away easily.
Get crisp, clean edges without the hassle. This veneer edge cutter tool trims, deburrs, shapes arcs, and slices off excess banding like a pro. It works on wood veneer, plastic, PVC, and more, making it perfect for all kinds of projects. Swapping or expanding the blade is simple with just 3 screws. And with 10 extra blades and 4 circular scrapers included, you're ready for precision cuts every time. Drying clothes just got smarter. This foldable electric dryer combines heat, UV, and steam to get your laundry fresh and ready. No clothesline needed. It extends automatically, holds your garments neatly, and folds away when not in use. Great for travel or tight spaces, and it even comes with a remote for hands-free control. Fast, hygienic, and space-saving. It's laundry made easy.